Hello and welcome to another video by How to Webmaster. Today I am testing out this AI generated meme tool and it is actually quite good. So here's one example right here, and you kind of have to be familiar with memes to get the joke. So normal people, me and my friends, and let's try out another one. Just go to refresh, and this is completely unique, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. So let's try another one, and it contains all kinds of topics, and there are other meme images that you can try. Let's do another one, for example. So let's try this one. When you walk into a room and you get a car with his family. Doesn't make sense, but it's kind of funny. So you do have to refresh quite a bit, but eventually there will be some good ones you can use and upload to Reddit or your own social network. So this one's okay right here. Okay, let's do another one right here. So you're telling me I can get the last shift for the first time? This one is so bad that it's actually kind of funny. Alright, so here's one with the grandma. Anyways, this is pretty much the AI meme generator. Check it out and have some fun with it. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again for watching.